If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Welcome to the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener. I'm Joy Baird. In the big garden today, a lot of weeds, which that's just what we have this year. I'm not going to weed anything. I got beans in amongst there. I got a good amount of pole beans. The Jerusalem artichokes are doing really well as some of these Brussels sprouts are doing well. The main focus right now is harvesting these potatoes. Got some here, and then I've got a couple of them up in the front bed. Now these potatoes were simply potatoes that had sprouted in the kitchen. They were store-bought. I think there was some russets in there, some red potatoes, and planted them in this row here, in this bed, adjacent to the Brussels sprouts. And then I had some up at the top end of the garden where I have transplanted some of them over. The key to knowing when the potatoes are ready is the beginning of the discoloration, or the dying off of the plant. So we're at that point. We've got some potatoes in here that have completely died back. So we're going to dig them up and see what we have of potatoes that would have been thrown away or put in the compost pile, but instead was thrown in the ground. Now what I'm going to be using, just a garden fork. Hard tying garden fork, not a hay fork. You can find these at thrift stores. You can buy them brand new. Good investment to have. So I believe I put the rows, this way. I think there was 2 rows here. So just amongst the weeds. The benefit of the garden fork is the soil will fall through, and I can just pile the weeds to the side. Got irrigation in here as well. I've got to be cautious of. Let's see. Oh, there was one. That's the base of one of the potatoes there. There we go. There's 2 there that would have. So let me see what else I can find. So this is the harvest, and very pleased with this. Just throwing about a dozen or so store-bought potatoes in the ground and then just letting them grow. I mean, look at the size of that one. That's as big as your hand. This one here is a very unique one. It's already got some sprouts growing on it already. Must have been close to the top. Take that worm, throw that back in the garden. I would say there's solid 5 to 8 pounds here of potatoes. Mostly russets. Some yellow potatoes, some red potatoes, just a little modge podge of whatever was sprouting. Small potatoes we can roast, the big potatoes we can bake, you know, all it. Wonderful, wonderful harvest of just throwing them in the ground and then just letting them grow. There was irrigation on that, but happy with that. So just because you got some potatoes sprouting in the pantry, you put them in the ground at the appropriate time, they are going to grow as long as you keep water on them and have good rich soil. Well, thanks for watching. I'm Joy Baird, and this has been the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener.